Hey! Somebody tell me what this is. What type of dinosaur lizard creature is this?
What's that? Oh, bunnies? Oh, Athena, yep.
Oh, Lord.
That bunny is cute.
Yeah.
It doesn't want you to hold it though.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I know.
See, you wouldn't see that unless, well, you're gonna see it anyways, but still. Just walk and enjoy, baby. They gotta take a book, read a book here. Read 20 books if you want.
Isn't this the coolest? This is the restroom. Hello, sirs.
Oh my god, those are here.
Turn around. I don't think I can take a picture. What we dancing to? Hey, get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it, Murphy. Hey. Oh, are you a pretty bird? Hey, we're jamming.
Lani, come here.
No, I'm not sure what you did.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
it's okay.
Oh my god, that's
They actually have chicken helmets. These are the helmets for the chickens. I cannot live. These are so cute.
Nobody's getting hurt. Except for somebody's wallet.
I love chicken bird. I love chicken bird.
He's so cute.
Hello. So cute. Hello, little thing.
Don't stand so close.
Hello. Hello.
hello.
Hello.
Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird.
Jamming with the bird. Hey, hey.
Pretty bird, pretty bird. Yeah, yeah. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird.
Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty birdie, 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 can't jump. Birdie, birdie. Oh, rooster.
Hi. Yes, sir.
It's so cute. I want to pet it.
If I'd have known that, we could have brought some to guinea pigs.
Oh my god.
What? This is why vegan animals are awesome. Hi, sir. I don't have any. Look at him just about to eat all her lettuce.
Give the little one some here. Give me some.
That's why he's so little. He eats all the lettuce.
All the lettuce. All the lettuce, mama.
He's like, where's my lettuce at?
There you go.
Give the little one some.
Alright, don't bite the fence. Don't bite the fence.
Look at his tongue.
Did you get some lettuce too, sir? Yeah, the noises that they make.
Oh, can I get one? Can I get one? Can I get one? Daddy, don't leave. Can I get one?
What type of noises are y'all making?
Daddy, there's another one.
Alright, we don't have enough lettuce. Feel bad now. Let's walk before you take it.
Wait, now we don't have enough lettuce.
Guys, these little baby goats.
It's a cat.
This little baby.
There's
goats.
all types of random
Athena.
animals running around. I love
Athena.
it. This is my place, guys.
They sell fresh eggs here.
I don't care.
Honey sticks.
There's different flavors.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Llamas, where are the goats?
This way.
Where are the llamas? Oh my god, there's llamas.
You guys,
They got a pool at Laporte
I'm
Farm.
eating my honey stick.
Is it good?
Yeah, kind of, but kind of, it's kind of hot.
Yes, my favorite. Goats and llamas. Look at all the chickens. Everybody partying in here? Everybody having a good time? Oh, a turkey. A turkey. Don't chase the critters. Ah, what I like to see. Look at all of them and the ducks.
Is there cows?
There might be. Why are you screaming at my camera?
What about me?
Look how beautiful they are. Hello. You are beautiful, sir. Look at you. So regal. Don't eat my camera. Stop screaming. He said the ghosts are lying. You can. You're so cute. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest that. It's just loose.
No, you.
Why aren't you in the gate, sir?
That one over there taking a bath.
This one's in the water for the eating. I mean, the water for the drinking. Sir, I don't believe you're supposed to be in there. Yeah, you look like you just got caught doing something you're not supposed to do. Oh, look, I caught you. The escape artist, I caught him on tape. Yeah, I caught you. You're not supposed to be out. You knew it.
Really? Walking on the fence?
Look at this nonsense. I'm done. They're escape. Don't get too close to the fence. They all know how to escape. They're trying their way at escaping.
Oh, that one. Oh, really? You gonna headbutt it down? It's messed up. Come on, guys.
I think it's supposed to be back in the pen, sir.
Hi, cutie.
Careful before it tries to jump out.
How's it taking a bath? It's just dirt.
Oh, are you a little baba sheep?
It's a goat, mama.
Look at its hair. It's like ours. You're so cool. You and your goatee is beautiful. Oh, you are just gorgeous.
He was banging
son.
on the fence because I didn't give him carrots.
You are beautiful. Aw, you gave him carrots now? Look at that goatee. Oh, sir, you're beautiful. Yes, you
They're
are.
like the guinea pigs. They climbed on the fence when they heard their
Look at them little
back.
fat faces. Yeah,
I'll
exactly.
split it for all of you. Here.
Look at him trying to be the king of all goatees. Oh my God, they have like a little thing over there. I didn't see the treehouse.
Are they like bigger than like a pit bull? They can kill the they're about the size of the goat. The goat raisins. Oh, yeah, I'm about to say they raise.
First, this is the coop for the roosters because I saw the chicken eat. Chicken. What are you saying?
Stay out here with this shit. God damn.
Aren't you guys gorgeous? Hello.
I've been spending too much money. Yeah, so I'm looking for something free.
Don't let them chew you up now.
Can they eat apples?
I believe so. I don't know. Ask the people here. So feed at your own risk.
Here you go.
Hello.
Oh, Jesus, that scared me. What is the little one? No, the little one went this way. There you go. Oops, sorry. You're so cute.
Hello, guys.
Here you go.
Oh, you want it? Oh, yeah. You want one? Oh, you're so cute. Oh, there's Lucy was here because she could see the baby cows.
Oh, we gotta take some video for the baby cows for her. Oh, look at his teeth. You can pick it up. You can pick it up so you can eat it.
He can eat us.
Yeah, trust me, he's fine. Ah, look at those teeth. Look at his little lips. Yum, 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 yum.
Look at the zebra.
Oh my god. I thought we were looking at zebras. We're running over here to the horsey horses. Be careful. Be careful. Look, it says horses may nip. He means, look at his lips. Do you have any carrots or anything for him? They like apples, right? You don't like apples?
Yeah, I found.
Be mindful of his, like he might want to chew on your hand. Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Or ma'am. I'm not really sure.
That's the mommy. These are the kids.
These are the kids? Ooh, you are big.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of horses, but
You're really big. Mommy.
y'all are beautiful. Are y'all twins? It's the stripe for me and the, you know, the hair. I like your hair, sir. I like your hair.
You like all my hair.
I like their hair. You know, we got the blonde thing going. No, I'm just kidding. Where's Athena?
I'll call you out.
Don't. Be careful with their. You're so beautiful. These horses are so beautiful.
Can I catch you?
I think he likes it, or she. Looks like she's trying to give you her face to pet it, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I know, right? They're so big. You're so beautiful.
I'm scared.
But you wanted to ride them without their own consent.
Can I ride?
No. Be careful. Just be mindful.
Oh, flies all on him.
This is like Grandmommy's cat with orange in it.
Yeah, can you pick up it?
No.
What? Oh!
Are we in here?
I'm pretty sure this is a stable where they lock them up into the night.
These are
It doesn't seem like anything's in here.
Oh, giraffe!
Not a real one. Why did I miss them going under the gate? So what are y'all in there for exactly? What are y'all in here for exactly if y'all come and go? That is too much. Did you see the way they came up under the...
Guys, sleepy.
Daddy,
$5
Daddy,
to ride a
just
horse.
have to pay for
Nope.
it, please.
I got $10 left in my pocket. Where you going?
Looking around. Look at it.
I don't know what that
I don't want to get on too close to it. I'm sure they're used to humans by this point, yeah? Your favorite type of little ducky. Are you not? Look at this one right here. You know what? You know what? This one walked. Look at the ducky ducks behind us. This one's over here.
Dad, let's go. Let's go.
We came to see this little one here. I like your hair too. Hello.
Oh, I want to ride a
other
horse.
old horse put his nose all up in my drink.
Please tell me I caught that. All up in my drink.
You coming back for my drink?
Hello.
Don't pick his nose.
Oh, please don't lift me.
Go. I want to really ride a horse.
Hi, baby. Look at the comparison. This tiny little bit.
I gave it apple.
Said don't mind its hands. I mean, mind its mouth. It totally said mind its mouth. Right? You're doing too much. Why are you trying to give it extra protein? They're vegetarian. We've talked about this.
There's fluffy chicken.
You are a big, nice, pretty chicken rooster, aren't you?
Oh, somebody who picked up the
Look at that little tiny. Look at this tiny rooster. Oh my God, it's so little. Look at this big boy. Look at the tiny one.
There's fluffy
And look
ones
at
over there.
whatever this is supposed to. What the heck are you supposed to be?
There's fluffy.
Dude, what is that supposed to be? Someone let me
You are
know.
supposed to be a chicken,
Let me see what
not a cock. Hey,
Somebody tell me what this is. What type of dinosaur lizard creature is this? Oh my gosh. I literally cannot deal right now. Please ask the
Dad,
horse.
can you hold this?
The horse is gonna say no. I know that.
Then let's go. They can keep the money. It'll help feed him anyway.
That's fast. I got more horsepower than me.
It will help him.
Surprising, the horse can run about 200 miles.
Oh shit.
Take my
If
backpack.
Can you hold
they
it?
really want
Look
to.
at
That part. If they want to.
If they want to. Right now, he's being stubborn. He's tired. He's hot. I want to put that water there because he knows how to pop off that lid.
Yeah, he
Smart.
almost took my drink back. And the other horse almost.
He drank my water. And he has water right there. He loves the cold water.
Yeah, fresh.
All right, stand
I don't
behind.
blame you, buddy. If I had
Stand behind him. You gotta listen. Full instructions. Good, because he's got to make sure the horse is ready for you.
Come on. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I wanted to ride.
Be very gentle with him because he's not.
Listen, I gotta keep the saddle loose on him. He's an old horse. Okay? You need to listen to my instructions when I put them on, when I put you on there. So step on the thing, alright?
Listen to me.
She's got
So
it.
you wanna take this foot, you wanna put it in here, and you wanna throw yourself over with this leg.
There you go. You got it.
There you go.
Alright. So if the
Ooh,
saddle
I don't.
goes this
He
way,
doesn't look happy.
you wanna lean this way, okay?
I think he's just
Saddle goes
heavier
this way,
than she
you wanna
looks.
lean this way. You wanna make sure you straighten it out. Because this here, this little black thing right here, that's on his gut. So if that's too tight,
Can we take the cat home?
he can fall. Okay? So if the saddle is going too far, let me know. I'll stop and fix it. It's 3 rocks.
Look at it. Look at it. That small thing.
Oh, it's a chicken.
It's a little chicken.
They're tiny.
Yeah, because it was
Yeah,
used to be a baby.
one of the roosters
Just had a litter.
got one.
Oh, that part.
They had little baby chickens.
Wait, it's a baby chicken?
They won't get bigger than that.
But it's a baby chicken that's small though. That's, I mean, it's gonna stay. That's
Oh, it's a
cool.
miniature chicken.
I'll take one of those.
Oh man, there ain't no meat on that.
Exactly why I'll take one of those.
Catch one, y'all want one?
I'll legit take it home. You don't even understand who you're talking to right now.
No, I'm good. We have enough animals.
I got another dog that's knocked up. Y'all want to follow?
Stop it. This is where we'll come to get our animals.
Well,
So, y'all,
the smallest, most vicious dog in the world.
Literally, they won't. They only stay this big. I got a girl dog named Bella. She's the sweetest dog you can ever have. She's calm and sweet. She loves pets.
I want a Rottweiler and a Cane Corso.
I want a pet kangaroo.
A kangaroo? The hell's that? Oh, a kangaroo? Like a wallaby?
Almost. I want a big Miss Flora's also probably. I'm not even gonna say probably. There's a possibility she's getting 2 camels.
Hey, baby. Butterflies. Can I get a picture on the horse before we leave?
For this little spot right here.
Can I get it before he takes her off?
Have y'all came out here last time when we had the monkeys?
This is my first time here.
One more. Come on.
And then I
Mom,
want
she
to take
gets a picture before she gets off.
Yeah, I'll let her take a picture.
Appreciate it.
Are you guys home? Where did the chicken go? Where'd it go? Come here. Come here, little tiny chicken. You guys make a beautiful sound though. It's like kind of calming. It's a bit calming to be honest with you. Look how beautiful you guys are. You guys are gorgeous.
Mommy, come on.
I'm coming. I don't know where we're going. This doesn't seem safe. What she got me going into, guys? Well, my other child is safe over there riding horses. What? Wait, how do I get out?
The other door over here.
There's a door out? All these doors lock from the inside, from the outside.
People in red shirts like
I don't like this. I feel claustrophobic. No. Andrew, let me out. Okay, good. It was confirmed. As long as it was confirmed that I can get out.
I had so much fun.
Yay.
I was about to be so mad. I thought Lani went into the bird cage. Inside. Oh, please. Shana, welcome. Oh wait, hold on, let me open it
To
first.
Drosselin's Cabaret. Danger, danger.
Close it behind you.
Oh my God, there's animals every place.
It's cockatoos. Oh, these ones are loving on each other. Look, Shana. This one's all colorful.
Why are you yelling at me?
Why do you look like a small version of the evil bird from Rio?
Not the evil bird. I'm in a giant bird cage.
Don't touch the bird seed because they will attack you.
Very good. Oh, they got fishy fish. I would totally have one of these in my farm. Or like my little place where...
Oh, there's bird poop all over the seat.
Lovely. There are. It's, look,
Oh, look at this pink and yellow. Pink and yellow.
look at them all in the world.
It's yellow and green.
Those are the birds that used to have cockatoos. Cockatiels.
Oh, that one's so pretty. It's yellow.
Oh, look. Look at another
You
fish.
need to put a little black on it.
I'm done. Not making a Jamaican bird.
That one's pretty too. It's yellow, blue, gray, orange.
This place is beautiful. You like to dance like Murphy, huh? Yeah. Hey! What a party at? Hey! Okay, you're just screaming now. Dude, I said don't pick up the cat.
Look, we don't have to pay for it. I'll just take it home.
I'm done. Not just snatching the cats. Damn, I'm done. I love this place. You just gonna carry it around now?
Where's Athena?
Why do you have a cat?
We're at a farm and you ask her why she's carrying an animal. Oh, we
It's not a farm animal.
I listen.
Oh, why don't you finish it, baby?
I don't ask questions
They've
at
already
this point.
finished hers like hours
I'll
ago.
take it. I'll take it.
Well, you just lost it. Your mom's gonna eat it.
Or she doesn't want to hold. Or she wants to hold it. Okay.
Be careful.
Dude, why do you have a cat?
Oh, she's so adorable.
Now it wants down. Leave it alone.
Oh my God, it's because Athena.
It wants to roam freely like it's been allowed to do all of its days.
Ew. Once I take it home with me.
Oh, it's one of those like long-faced cats. Is that you? Hi. Hello, sir. Oh, you were over there with us earlier, weren't you?
What's up, buddy?
Here, just get.
For a long
No,
time.
because I don't need you.
Come on, guys.
Please.
Aw,
Oh,
it
it's
jumped
already
up.
home.
Now it wants to get down. It loved up on you enough. Oh, it's giving you that look like give me.
Let's cut down.
I'm trying. I don't want to hurt her.
They can land on their feet. It's fine.
Until she doesn't land on her feet.
What are you asking for? What type of question? What are you asking? Maybe he doesn't want you slapping him in the face. I'm just saying.
I want to take
You don't have any form.
I want to take the cat home.
No. Let's see if I can focus here. Let's focus.
Can I?
What? I don't see anything.
I don't see anything. Well, it says staff only, so I mean, maybe staff if they allow it. Wait, let me come in here. Let me. Aw, don't pick them up. Just love up on them. Love, like. Y'all don't have any more carrots?
That's perfect, buddy.
Ah, I'm in a bunny pen.
What's that? Oh, bunnies? Oh, Athena. Yep. Yep.
Oh, Lord.
That bunny is cute.
Yeah.
It doesn't want you to hold it though.
That's what I said. Just love up on them. You
Is that a
don't
baby
need to-
bunny?
I don't think so. I think they're just small. I don't know.
So cute.
Oh, Jesus.
See, now you can see all the bunnies.
Ask if he can hold one. Maybe they'll let you. No, just leave them alone. Oh my God, you're so cute. You're so cute, guys. Don't pick it up.
Why?
Because they don't want to be loved up like that. Just put them down. I mean, just leave them down.
Right?
Oh, look at that.
Good job, buddy.
Is this ice?
Yeah. Don't do that, Athena. It's not ours. Not even. How was it?
God, I'm sweating.
Are you gonna come out? I don't think she's gonna come out.
Oh, look on you. Taking the
I can't believe y'all are really playing this in the middle of a farm.
They have it at a farm shop, so why not?
You know what?
Please, a lot.
You're always screaming. I look at the girls up under.
Alright.
Hi.
You guys don't want you bothering you.
You don't gonna do this little swishy thing with your bum? We can come back for a few minutes and then we gotta go home.
Over in Palm Bay area. Himself a superhero at any point in time.
Hi.
His whole life on all his old school comments till now. He never considered himself a superhero. He doesn't
What a
like
big
to see
little
people
duck.
getting taken.
Don't touch it.
And like even when like
Or goose. I think this is a goose.
I think it's a duck.
Like, no,
I'm pretty sure it's a goose.
Because you used to spoil the bank while
You let me know. What are you, sir?
he's like, hey man. Yeah, no.
Oh, and that's one of those like
Yeah, he's not like a. He's not
well, we can't get too close over here. No, ma'am. There's a gate thing here for a reason. Now, when you chew up your head, get out of this thing. Lord Jesus, have mercy. Where do you get these kids from? You are pretty. Hello.
dark type star path and all that. So like that's I love that shit. So.
Look at this cotton ball right here. Oh my gosh.
Pictures with your beautiful kids. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.